Okay, guys, if you are able to learn the strategies which I will be sharing with you in this video, you are most likely to improve your trading activities by 80%. Okay, you heard me right. You are most likely to improve your trading activities by 80%. Now, let's see how it works out and how you can be profitable with this strategy. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay. And you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. So, right here is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, like I have always been telling you, there are three things that are always, that are very, very important whenever you are trading. The first one is your support region, and oh, sorry, your support region. Then the second one is your resistance, and the last one is also very, very important, which happen to be the trend. The trend is very, very important. If you are able to balance these three together and you understand how you can identify them, then you are most likely to make profit all the time. Okay. So I'm going to prove this to you by going straight to the chart so that we will understand how these three can be combined together to get the best out of our trading activities. Okay, so right here is my chart. Okay, this is the next 1200. I'm on 15 minute time frame. If you should notice, okay, this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, at the top right here is a major resistance zone. Okay, like I've always been telling you, when an asset gets to the resistance zone, okay, most especially a major one like this, there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout above the resistance zone or there is a change in direction of the trend. Okay, so if there is a breakout above it, it only means that the market will keep on buying at that particular point. But if there is no breakout above it, then there will be a change in the direction of the trend. And of course, guys, you can see it's changed the direction of the trend. And if you should notice, my indicator also gave me a downtrend signal by switching from the yellow color to a red color, which happened to be a downtrend signal. Okay, and at that point, the only signal, our trading signal that you should go with is a sell signal, which happen to be the red arrows. And you can see this actually sold right from this resistance region to this point. Okay, and this is on 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine you selling all these candles on 15 minutes time frame. This is huge, guys. This is huge. Of course, because the market was on downtrend or has been on downtrend does not mean there won't be pullbacks. Okay, you can see right here is a pullback, right here is another one, and here is another one. But it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Now let's check another asset. Okay, so you can see this had been on, this is Ganex 999. Okay, and this is real and live charts. Okay, so you can pick up one or two things from here to learn how you can do your analysis and even place some profitable trades today. Okay, and of course, guys, this has been on downtrend also right from the resistance zone, but it got to this support region. If you should notice, I had to pull out these two trend lines to map out the channels because I noticed that this has been moving in between the channel. Okay, so I was actually looking for a possible breakout at this point. Okay, and the breakout happened above this. Okay, and that is why if you should extend this downward because of the pullback that happened at this point. Okay, and of course you can see it went back up. So just like I have explained earlier on, I said when an asset or a market flow gets to the support zone, okay, it is either it breaks out below the support zone or there will be a change in direction of the trend. Okay, in this situation, it was unable to break out below. You can see it's changed from the red flag or the red color to a yellow color. The yellow color signifies that the market is on uptrend, and at this point you should follow the blue arrows because it supports a buy at that point. You can see it bought till it got to the resistance zone. This is also 15 minutes time frame, and because it was unable to break out above this, you can see it gave us the downtrend signal at this point and a sell signal. Those that are having this trading tool will have milked this market already. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, and we expect it to get to this particular spot first. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right away. It's going to sell for a very long time. That is gain x 999. Okay, and of course let's check out paynex 1200. This is also live chart. Okay, it was on downtrend before but came to an end at this point, and of course because it was unable to break out below this support zone, the same strategy over and over again. Okay, so it started an uptrend, changing or switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and you can see it going up, and it is still buying even at the moment, although it is already approaching this particular resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then definitely it will change the direction of the trend all over again. However, you can see the ranging region around this point has been moving within this, I mean playing around there for a while. It goes up and down, goes up and down within this region. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. Now let's check out paynex 999. The last one we checked was paynex 1200. You can see it is still the same strategy. Got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, and it started a downtrend. You can see the red color is for downtrend, and the red arrow is the sell signal. And of course, it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below this particular support zone, and it changed from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment, still on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, once it breaks out above this point, then we are most likely to get it around here first. And of course, if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, this is also a buy signal that has been going on smoothly. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. Also, you can see still the same strategy right from this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, and of course, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, you can see the color, guys, and of course it has been buying since then, breaking out from most resistance zone to buy more. Okay, it has gotten to another resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, then we are most likely to have a switch in the trend at that particular point. Okay, let's check the final asset, which is the last asset, which happened to be FX volume 60. Still the same strategy, guys, also on 15-minute time frame. This particular asset actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone after playing around there for a while, and it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. So it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it sold till it got to this support zone. And right from there, it was also unable to break out below this support zone. So it had to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, gave us a single buy signal at this point, and of course it bought till it got to this region, and it is still buying. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so you can also look into this first. We expect it to get to this particular spot back. Okay, and of course it should um get to this region, and after that it should uh, get to this. Okay, if it's um then thereafter that you can now think of this particular spot. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so you guys can also look into it and take advantage of it. Okay, can you see that this strategy really works out? I've actually tried it out on almost all the assets to show you how it works and how beautiful it is. So if you are able to identify all these three things, then you are most likely to increase, I mean, to improve your trading activities by 80%, and you are most likely to be making profits on daily basis whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very, very important. All you just need to do is just for you to give it some time to learn the strategy very well before you go into it fully. And you might need some good trading tools in order for you to analyze better. If you have anyone good for you, you can pull them into use and start milking the market right from there. If you don't have, you can also get the one I'm having on this system. All you just need to do is just to reach out to me via WhatsApp and we will discuss on that. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.